Good morning, class. Welcome to BPS e-learning again. I'm your English teacher Madhulika Divedi. Class, as we have completed first two paragraph of the poem "The Road Not Be Taken," written by Robert Frost. As you know, Robert Frost is very famous English writer and poet, and most of the time he wrote about the natural thing, means related to a forest, related to river, related to grass. Most of the time there was scene of description of forest in his poem. So, as I told you yesterday, that the poet is in a around a forest, and there were two way, and poet had to decide which which road he used to go ahead. And one road is trodden means used by many people, and the second road is untrodden means rarely used by the people, and he is confused, means he has to decide which way he will choose to go ahead. So Poyan had decided to choose second row, means which is untrodden, means rarely used by people, means he decided to use untrodden way to go ahead in search of finding something new. Means the moral of this I will explain it in detail, class. Means the moral of this poem is that you don't have to follow other people, means you have to decide your own way of doing thing, your own target to get in the life. It is not compulsory to choose the way, the choose the thing which is chosen by other people. So class, I will explain it in detail, and then after listening this poem you have to listen it twice. Only then you will get the real meaning of the actual meaning of the poem. And then class, you have to write the poem in your copy and draw the picture also. Then you have to write word meaning, and you have to learn it, class. And one thing you must have to do, class, as you are in class 5th, you must have to try to write central idea of the poem. Central idea means, class, summary of the poem in your own way. So after listening the poem twice, you will show it is your homework, class. You have to write a paragraph, means minimum 6 to 7 line about the 5 line. It is must to write minimum 5 line about the poem, means all story, all the description about the poem, that is called central idea. You have to write, and it you have to show me. So I am going to explain the poem, the third and fourth paragraph in detail. Listen it carefully, class, then write the poem in your copy, draw the picture, color it, and then show me the central idea of the poem.
Yes, paragraph number third. Class, as in the first paragraph, there were description about one way, means the poet is standing in between two way and he had to decide which one way to go ahead. Ahead means in search of in search of something, means to find something new, something surprising, something which is not known by the people, means he had to go ahead, and there were two way and he had to decide one way to go out. And the first way is trodden means used by many people, and there were footsteps of the people, means going step and coming step, means both, means people used to go and people used to come through this way. And now the second way is untrodden, means rarely used by people. There were footprint of the people, means going footprint, not the back print, means वहाँ से लोग गए तो हैं बट आने का कोई भी फुटप्रिंट नहीं दिख रहा है वहाँ पे. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden back, मीन्स यू रेयरली यूज्ड बाय पीपल मीन्स वापस आने का वहाँ पे फुट स्टेप नहीं है. Oh, I kept the first for another day means I have to decide to use the second way means which is untrodden means rarely used by people, and second means first way he will go another way means he decided I kept the first for another day means today he will use the first way to go ahead. Yet knowing how way lead on to way, I doubt if I should ever come back. Means this road is untrodden means rarely used by people, and there is not a step to trodden back means people used to go through this way, but there is not any back step of from coming this road means this is यहाँ पे लोग गए तो हैं मगर वापस आने का कोई भी प्रिंट नहीं दिख रहा है, स्टेप फुट प्रिंट नहीं दिख रहा है. तो द पोएट इज confused means he have doubt with it if I should ever come back means he will be able to come back through this road or not means यहाँ से जाके वापस आने का कोई रास्ता है या नहीं है means there will be danger on this way. So he have a doubt means he should come back again or not. I shall be telling this with a sigh means he is little confused, sad, or somewhere aged and aged hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one I less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Means I have to choose. I have chosen the second road. Means there are two road and diverge. To mean diverge means separate in two different way. And one is trodden, and the second one is less traveled. Means less rarely used by people. And he decided to go untrodden means less used by the people, and that has made all the difference. Means class it make her different to other means class it is not necessary to follow other people means you have to take your own decision to get success in the life. मीन्स ज़रूरी नहीं है कि सब ने जो काम किया है हमें भी वही करना चाहिए, हमें किसी को फॉलो नहीं करना चाहिए, हमें अपना रास्ता खुद ही बनाना चाहिए. तो दिस इज़ द मोरल ऑफ द पोएम. मीन्स क्लास देयर द पोएट इज in a forest and there were two way and poet had to decide anyone to go ahead, and he is sometimes confused because one road is trodden means used by people means there were fruit step of going and coming back, but the less there were another road which is less used by less traveled by the people, and there were chances of danger because it is less used by the people, and there were no coming back step of the people on the second way, and the way is full of grass because it is less used, and the first one is yellowish leaf because it is trodden means used by many people. But he decided to go second one that is less used by the people, and that make him difference to other people. So class, write the poem and learn it. Draw the picture also and color it, and then you have to write central idea means summary of the poem and show me it.